Greetings, fellow CarPlay enthusiasts. Today, we're addressing a common frustration, the struggle to add any apps to CarPlay. But fret not, because we've got an incredible ace up our sleeves. Introducing the WheelPal app. This solution is here to revolutionize your CarPlay experience. Let's delve in. Picture this. You're craving some extra apps on your CarPlay, a way to customize it to your liking. But alas, it seems like Apple hasn't opened the door for that. Ever wish there was a way around this limitation? Well, wish granted. Enter the WheelPal app. Ready to enhance your CarPlay experience? Let's begin. Step 1. Start by downloading the CarPlayHow app from the link provided in the description using Safari. Step 2. Open the app and follow any prompts, including trusting the enterprise developer. Step 3. Select Install Now and then Add to CarPlay during the setup process. Step 4. Open the CarPlayHow app and locate WheelPal. Step 5. Tap Install and follow any prompts, including profile downloads and passcode confirmations. Step 6. Enjoy your new CarPlay experience. And you're done. WheelPal is now set up, and you're ready to enjoy its benefits on CarPlay. So what's the magic of WheelPal? It's a bridge between your desires and your CarPlay reality. This app serves as a gateway to adding a range of apps to your CarPlay interface, unlocking a world of possibilities. No more being restricted to the default apps. Now you're the captain of your CarPlay ship. WheelPal seamlessly integrates with your CarPlay, acting as your trusted co-pilot. With its user-friendly design, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make the most of it. Just a few taps and voila, you have access to a whole new set of apps. Imagine having your favorite navigation app right at your fingertips, or catching up on the latest news for your preferred news app. And now, the exciting part, you can even enjoy video streaming apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Hulu. WheelPal transforms your CarPlay into an extension of your digital life. Here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert. WheelPal sweeps away the complexities, making the process as simple as a Sunday drive. We're talking about solving problems like how to add any apps to CarPlay without the headache of complex setups. So if you're tired of the CarPlay status quo and yearn for more, the WheelPal app is your answer. Tap into its potential, expand your CarPlay horizon, and drive with a newfound sense of control and convenience. Find the download links in the description and hit that like button if this solution has you excited. Subscribe to stay updated on all things CarPlay, and until next time, enjoy the road ahead.
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.